Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make square-shaped cat hat. It is very easy to make. We need gray and black color 8-ply yarn and 4mm crochet hook. Make 50 chains using gray color yarn. Make 2 more chains for first row. Now make 1 double crochet in third chain from hook. One double crochet in all chains across. Now we will join second color of yarn, black, chain 2, make 1 double crochet in each stitch and back loop only. Same way, complete the row. Keep repeating row 2 for 30 more rows. We will change yarn color after every 2 rows of same color. Our last row should be single gray color row. This will fit to a small adult. For medium and large sizes, make a couple of more row to fit well. After 32 rows, hat looks like this. Fold the hat and sew from side and top. Fold the brim from bottom. Sew the corners to shape like cat ears. Enjoy your hat. See you in next tutorial. We will make matching sleeve warmers in next tutorial.